Hey everyone, today's book of the day is Berrie the Bear Faces Her Fear by Heather Williams. Chapter 1 Confidence. Berrie the Bear is a brown bear who loves to wear big bows in her hair. She is strong, smart, and very sweet. Raspberries are her favorite treat. Berrie is caring, but not that daring, because she never leaves her cave. She wants to explore, but she is unsure if she can ever be brave. One day Berry the Bear saw a group of friends pass by. She wanted to meet them, but was too scared to say hi. Talking to someone new made Berry feel shy, so she sat down with a sigh and a sad look in her eye. Berry saw a bunny, a raccoon, and a mouse. They were having fun building a big tree house. It was way up high in an apple tree. Berry thought to herself, oh, how much fun that must be. Berry daydreamed of what it might look like inside. She imagined playing on the tire swing and big slide. Berry continued to watch them play. She could hear the mouse talk from far away. You are smart. You have a good heart. You are very helpful. I am very thankful. His positive attitude stood out in a crowd. He said kind words that made his friends feel proud. The bunny shared a big bag of jelly bean sweets. She giggled and wiggled as she enjoyed her treats. The bunny danced and stomped her feet. She shook her fluffy cottontail as she clapped her ears to the rhythm of a beat. The raccoon wore fuzzy-wuzzy yellow socks, and he balanced very well on bumpy lumpy rocks. The raccoon also climbed the gate on his tiny tiptoes as he fixed the treehouse with his gadgets and gizmos. Then they saw Berry peeking, and they waved, "Hello!" Berry got scared and gasped, "Oh, no!" She turned around and ran straight to her room. She ran quick fast in a hurry, zoom, zoom. Berry's parents reassured her that it would all be okay. They told her she could still go outside and play. Berry's dad said, "There are no limits to what you can do. Possibilities are endless, so try something new." Berry's mom said, "It is better to try than to sit there and sigh." Berry knew if she believed in herself, she could be brave. She then took one step at a time outside of her cave. "I can do it if I try. I can be confident. I can say hi." "Hi, my name is Berry. This looks like fun. Can I help? I'm strong and I can lift a ton." "Nice to meet you. I am Miles the Mouse. Please join us in making this house." She makes it look as light as bread. She is lifting a log over her head. Chapter 2 Kindness. Berry happily joined the team. Being a big helper raised her self-esteem. They all worked together to get the job done. They built the treehouse and had fun in the sun. They played monkey see, monkey do, hide and seek, and freeze tag too. Look and see what I can do. Watch me roar like a lion too. Roar! Then all of a sudden the wind started to blow. Oh no! My magical hat is blowing away. What did you say? Magic hat? What is that? Then Miles the Mouse started to shrink. He felt bashful and his cheeks turned pink. He was worried what his friends might think, since he lost his magical hat in a blink. Do not fear, it must be somewhere near here. We can find it if we try our best. I have a magnifying glass and a compass to help us on our quest. The friends looked up and down and everywhere around. They would not stop searching until the magical hat was found. They searched the forest all afternoon. There it is, we found it. We must get it soon. If it starts to rain, walking on those stones will be a pain. Chapter 3 Courage. Berry once again was full of fear. I will stay here. I do not want water on my hair. Berry's friends pleaded. Her strength is what they needed. This is scary. Help us, Berry. Hold hands as we walk across. Be careful not to slip on moss. Their hat was stuck between a rock and a hard place. Berry decided to put on a brave face. They could not do it on their own, so Berry got courage and stepped on a stone. Despite the cold wind and water below, she held on tight and did not let go. We did it! We did it! Thanks a bunch, it means so much. Yay! Hooray! The friends cheered. Miles got his hat, and Berry faced her fear. Boom! Then the sound of thunder came from the sky. It started to rain and dark clouds passed by. I am not scared of water anymore. Then what are we waiting for? Berry had a smile, and she was ready to play. Berry was happy since she faced her fears all day. The friends cheered and played in the rain. They jumped in a big puddle and turned it into a game. As they walked back to the treehouse, the sun made them warm and dry. They smiled and gazed at a rainbow in the sky. Berry was proud that she stepped outside of her cave. She made new friends and proved to be confident, kind, and brave. The end. Check out author and illustrator Heather Williams on Instagram. Heather is a mother, public servant, author, poet, illustrator, and entrepreneur who is passionate about teaching kids through joyful and inspiring stories. Heather is a literacy and diversity advocate who aims to educate, inspire, and share stories that help young children find inner strength, self-love, acceptance, and empowerment in their unique qualities and abilities. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.